Welcome to Tech Learnist. This video is an introductory video on Microsoft Excel, and it's great for new learners, whether you're a student, a homemaker, or a businessman. So let's get started. Microsoft Excel is part of Microsoft Office, which is nothing but a suite of multiple applications. In order to install Microsoft Excel, you need to install Microsoft Office, which can directly be purchased from the Microsoft website. I'm using Office 365. On installing Office, you can see the different applications that get installed with Office. In order to launch Excel, click on the Excel icon. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool which is used for documentation, for charting, for accounting, and several numeric computations. In order to create a new Excel, you can click on the New option and create an Excel using the blank workbook, or there are a number of predefined templates which are nothing but existing formats to reuse. For learning purpose, let's go and create a blank workbook. Let me explain the application layout. The top green bar is called as the title bar, which shows the name of the Excel file. The file which gets generated from Microsoft Excel is typically of format .xlx or .xls. The bottom shows the status bar. There is a zoom option wherein you can zoom the Excel file. The menu bar comprises of multiple tabs, and the section below each tab is known as ribbon. The ribbon comprises of multiple option groups. Each option group is made of multiple options. So in this case, the font option group consists of options to modify the font. You can also view the additional options by clicking this arrow button. The file in Microsoft Excel is referred as workbook, and each workbook can comprise of multiple sheets. You can add the sheets by clicking the plus icon. You can delete the sheets by right-clicking on the sheet name and clicking delete. You can also rename the sheet by double-clicking on the sheet name and typing the name you wish to give. The sheet comprises of rows and columns. As you can see, the columns are named using the alphabets. After Z, the columns will be named as AA, AB, and AC. The rows are named as numbers. In order to navigate through the sheet, you can hit Enter to navigate vertically, or hit Tab to navigate horizontally. Using the Shift key, you can navigate in the reverse fashion. So Shift Enter will navigate to the top of the sheet, and Shift Tab will navigate to the left-hand side of the sheet. The intersection of the column and the row is called as a cell. Each cell is given a unique name. So in this case, the intersection of B and 4, the cell is named as B4, as you can see in the name box at the top. The selection of continuous cells is called as range. The range is named with the top left cell through the bottom right cell. So in this case, the range will be named as B4, and through is specified with the colon symbol, and the bottom right will be F10. The range will be used in several numeric computations, which we will see in the upcoming videos. In order to type within the cell, you have to double click and you can start typing. Using the arrow keys, you can navigate through the text inside the cell. In order to resize the column, you have to click between the two columns. As you can see, the cursor gets changed into a plus sign or double cross arrows, and you can drag the column based on the size of the text. Similarly, in order to resize the row, you can place the cursor between the two rows and drag the cursor in order to resize the row. A simple option would be selecting all the columns and double click between any two columns. The sheet will automatically get resized based on the size and the length of the text mentioned in each of these cells. In order to save the XLS, you have to click on File, click Save, choose the folder where you want to save it. There are multiple options you can use to save. You can save it as an XLSX extension, or you can save it as CSV or even PDF. There are a lot of things that you can do in Excel, which we will cover in the upcoming videos. For now, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, do subscribe to TechLearners, like, share, and hit the bell icon for notifications.